कॉलेज जाउथिबा झियोटी अनुभव करूनी सुरक्षित कार्य करुथिबा महिलाटी निजकु सुरक्षित अनुभव करूनी गण दुष्कर्म हत्या बलात्कार अधिक अपराध होउची। प्रत्येक दिन महिला ओडिशार मां मनकर सम्मान को लुटि होउची। प्रत्येक दिन गोटे
Regarding the things that's happening over here, can an assembly work without opposition?
No. Assembly is a congregation of treasury bench and opposition. So you cannot run the assembly without opposition. People have elected us to sit in the opposition and raise their voice. This government is, I will say, they are not experienced one. They want to pass the bill without the opposition. This is not a healthy government. So all the people across Odisha, they came down to a road to protect their sisters, their mothers, their children. So we are fighting this. This fight is for the people, for our ladies, for our children, for our mothers, and we will fight this fight till the end. Till the government.
So many people are standing right now in this scorching heat in summer. The whole street is filled up. How many people are over here and what are you standing for? Can you just say something about that?
Yes. Definitely, I mean, it is a state where we worship Lord Subhadra. Now the present regime is running under the name of Subhadra scheme. But the sad part is, every day, every morning, there are school students are getting pregnant. Those are directly operated by the government of Odisha. And there are like Dalits, Adivasi, every day they are getting suffered, they are getting raped and murdered. In 9 months, there are more than 18,000 cases has been registered within the state. There is no one in the Mahila Commission yet. 8 months have been suffered. There is nobody in the chair as Mahila Commission. So that is why under the leadership of our President Bhaktacharan Das ji, we have organized this rally, massive rally to gherao this Vidhan Sabha, and we are asking for the Nari Nyay. So that is our demand. In this summer, just you mentioned, like it's heavy, like more than 40 degrees Celsius. But people are all across Odisha, around 25,000 Congress workers, Mahila Congress, NSUI, Youth Congress, everybody all across the state are coming here to showcase the power of Congress, and we are only demanding just respect to women in this state.
Thousands of protesters over here from Congress and the things that you're fighting for, the Nari safety, women's safety and all. What's your stand? Can you show some light on that?
The stand is simple. In Odisha, the women of Odisha are not safe. There are thousands and lakhs of cases still pending. Women are not even considering Odisha as a safe place right now. If you could have seen the way the government is treating the MLAs who are representative of people, that is also not conducive to the statehood. Now Congress party has taken a vow that we are going to storm into the assembly and make it an example, show it to the government that they are for the people, of the people and by the people. They have to remember this, that they are not the kings, right? They are the servant of people, and the people of Odisha want them to answer all these questions. Why women are not safety? They are not safe in Odisha. Why the number of cases against women are rising? Why corruption is still not eradicated by this government? Why people are on the street right now? These questions are pertinent questions, and these questions have to be answered by these people. They cannot evade. The way the speaker has behaved in the assembly by being a partisan, she is a person who should have been impartial, unbiased. But look at the way she has suspended 14 MLAs of Congress party. Why? Are they afraid of 14? The government is having absolute majority sitting in the assembly. They are afraid of 14 MLAs from Congress. Do you know why? Because Congress MLAs are in the right path. They are showing the light, showing the truth to the people. And they are always on the side of the dark. They are always on the side of lies. That's the reason they are afraid of the 14 strong MLAs of Congress party. Today, Odisha will see, India will see why Congress has been the party who is standing with the people of Odisha, even though we have lost elections. Every time we have lost elections, We are out of power for 25 years. But still Congress party, look at the crowd, look at the people, look at our leaders. They have come out with a vow that they will dethrone this government as soon as possible.
The thing that you said, to dethrone the government and everything that is going on, this is not the first time the Congress or the opposition has come up to do something like this. But let's say that you don't get the outcome that you're looking for today. What will be your next plan?
Do you know who was our PCC president? Is Bhakta Charan Das. He's a guy who started from the roots. He's a leader from revolution. And now with Bhakta Charan Das, our PCC president, with Khadge ji, our national president, and Rahul Gandhi as our inspiring leader, Congress party will create that difference this time, and we will show this to BJP. BJP will have, they have already started feeling the heat. If you could see, they have started stopping our people to enter Bhubaneswar. Why? They're so afraid of Congress workers. Congress workers from each and every village, from each and every booth, they have come here. And they have tried to stop them at the border of Bhubaneswar. Don't mind, but I also request the media to make sure that it is shown to the people how the people are coming with the help of their own money and all. Party doesn't have to spend anything. People have come on their own to support this cause, because Congress party is fighting a cause which is a people's cause. Women's safety is a big issue. I come from a family where, my mom was Mahila Congress president for 11 years. I know how Mahila of Odisha need that party's strength. And we have given women prime minister. We have given women chief minister. We know how women are respected. BJP only does event management, nothing else. So BJP has to answer now why all these things are happening, why Congress is questioning. The media should ask BJP government why you have suspended 14 MLAs who have raised their voice for women. Women speaker is there. This is such an irony. With a woman speaker in the house, Congress MLAs are suspended. There's no doubt about it. When MLAs who are the representative of people, they are denied in the assembly by giving a Farmani, dictatorship Farman, where 14 out of 14, 12 were first suspended, and then the rest of the 2 were also suspended. That means entire 14 out of 14 MLAs of Congress are suspended. And what is the reason? The reason is they are raising the voice. The opposition has to question. The government, the assembly is for the opposition to question. It's a platform for the opposition to question the government. When you stop such actions of opposition, it is dictatorship. And the democracy doesn't allow dictators to prevail. So that's why it is going to be a different day today. Congress, we're going to storm into the assembly today. And we will show it to this government. They are worth nothing. They are worthless, and they have to step down.